The Porsche 911 stands out as one of the most versatile vehicles on the market, offering an incredible array of configurations. From the entry-level 911 Carrera to the high-performance 911 GT3 RS, there are no fewer than 18 distinct models and trims to choose from. Add Porsche's Exclusive Manufaktur customization service into the mix, and the assembly process becomes even more intricate. Despite this complexity, every Porsche 911, including specialized race cars for Carrera Cup competitions, is assembled on the same production line at Zuffenhausen. The journey of every 911 begins with a body-in-white framework, meticulously crafted by approximately 300 robots. From there, all models move to the main assembly line. However, for special editions like the 911 Dakar and 911 ST, the process takes unique detours. Vehicles featuring lightweight carbon fiber components are shifted to specialized assembly stations. At these stations, experts manually install and adjust the components to ensure a flawless fit. Once this meticulous work is complete, the vehicle rejoins the standard production line. Customization is another hallmark of Porsche's craftsmanship. At Zuffenhausen, there is a dedicated saddlery where highly trained artisans cut and sew an assortment of premium materials to create bespoke interiors. Porsche even requires its interior specialist to complete an intensive training program to handle the diverse demands of special editions and custom requests from the Exclusive Manufaktur service. With over 1,000 options available, each interior is a testament to Porsche's commitment to personalization. The attention to detail extends to paintwork as well. Special models with two-tone finishes, such as the 911 Dakar, leave the main production line for a separate paint booth. There, two skilled technicians meticulously apply the second color by hand, a process that takes at least 7 hours. For designs incorporating numbers or intricate striping, the process can stretch to 30 hours or more. Eventually, these vehicles also return to the main line for final assembly. Jens Brucker, vice president of the Zuffenhausen plant, emphasizes the unique balance of automation and craftsmanship at the factory. The limited edition 911 models allow us to showcase the extraordinary skills of our team, blending automated production with the artistry of a true automobile manufactory. This blend of cutting-edge technology and handcrafted precision ensures that every Porsche 911 is more than just a car, it is a masterpiece of engineering and individuality.